This is like summer on a plate. Lovely vine-ripened tomatoes, organic, left on the vine for long enough so they develop loads and loads of flavour. A little bit of sunshine makes them really glow both inside and out. A ball of mozzarella from West Cork just torn apart. So you get those beautiful sort of stretch marks on it, which I think are really wonderful. Very good olive oil, a few drops of lemon juice, salt and pepper, and then lemon basil if you can get it, which is a really most wonderful divine thing. And then the sort of the ace in this pack is a few slices of really, really lovely ripe nectarine. Nectarine tomatoes are a fantastic combination. And again, it just speaks to me so much of the summer. Lovely place for my good friends down in Fermoil, Ballinskelligs, West Kerry, Fermoil pottery. A thing of such beauty, such earthy tones. It's like it was hewn from the ground rather than turned on a wheel. Lovely basket from Sarah Jenkinson in County Galway. And then a knife from that wonderful fellow, Fingal Ferguson in Gobeen, a maker of all things pork and knife.